Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Erin. If you can't tell, I dyed my hair black. I hope you guys can actually tell. I can't really fully see. I can look in the viewfinder, but I don't really know what it looks like on camera. So you guys will have to let me know if you guys can really tell a difference, that it is darker. I did my hair over the weekend. I'm really excited. I really like it. I told you guys in a video a little while ago that I wanted to dye my hair black, and I was thinking about it and I did, so you have to let me know what you guys think. Okay, so now that the elephant is out of the room, we are doing an Etsy earring haul today. I told you guys I've bought a ton of earrings off of Etsy recently, and you guys seemed interested in me sharing them with you, so I thought that that would be a fun video to do today. So here we are, let's get into it. Okay, first let's talk about why I've been into earrings and what started this all. So I have decided that for Halloween I'm going to do a series of looks, kinda. I haven't decided if I'm going to do it only on Instagram or if I will make videos out of it. You guys can let me know down in the description. But I'm going to do a makeup look based off the Hogwarts houses. So Slytherin, Gryffindor, Ravenclaw, and Hufflepuff. And so I was looking for some kind of earrings that represented each of the houses, that were cute, that I could wear for, you know, the pictures that I was going to take or for the video or whatever I do. And I was looking for some earrings and I came across these beautiful polymer clay earrings. They are so gorgeous. They are by KNS Designs. I will link all the Etsy shops down below, but she was so incredibly kind. She only had 2 of the earrings in stock. She ended up making a bundle for me so I could buy all 4 houses at one time. She was incredibly sweet, but these are the earrings. Here are the Ravenclaw ones. They look like the house scarves. I just think they are so incredibly cute. So that's Ravenclaw. Here's a Gryffindor. Oh my god, they're so cute, guys. And now I have all the houses just for like a keepsake, I guess. It's so cute. But I bought the bundle of 4 for $28, so not a bad price at all. These are really nicely made. They're made out of polymer clay, so they're actually not that heavy, and they just look really good and nice. The Slytherin ones are my favorite because I am a Slytherin, and I feel like they look really good with my hair now, so that's fun. But yeah, so they were so beautiful. She was so nice. They shipped out to me incredibly fast. I think she had them made for me by a Friday, and I ended up getting them on Monday the next week. It was incredibly fast. She also threw in a pair of these earrings for free for me, which is like super duper duper sweet. But they're just these little dangly Deathly Hollow earrings. They're so freaking cute. I've worn them in a video I'm sure you guys have seen. So yeah, those were the first earrings I bought, and the reason I became obsessed with this polymer clay Etsy earring thing. This is the reason why. I actually bought another pair from her because she's just so sweet and her earrings are really good quality and she makes really cute things. So I got these little witch hats. They were called the Danny hats, which remind me of Hocus Pocus because Danny is my favorite character on Hocus Pocus. And they actually glow in the dark. The little stars and moons glow in the dark, which I just think are so cute. Oh my god, they're so adorable. I just really like this shop. I like all the shops I'm about to mention. They're all like super sweet people, really good customer service, and just really great products. So, you know, keep that in mind. The witch hats were $18 in case you wanted to know. Let's get into some different shops now. You guys might remember my little Ouija planchettes I wore in my last video. They are so freaking cute. I don't know if you guys can see it, but they are like sparkly. I don't know if it's gonna focus. I don't know if you can see it because it's not like focusing. It's focusing on my hand, but you can probably see the sparkle even out of focus. But It is sparkly. They are so freaking cute. They are like a lot thicker because they're made of like acrylic, so they aren't as lightweight as like the polymer clay ones, but they're still pretty lightweight for how like big and chunky they are, and they're just so nicely made. And this is from the shop, let me look it up, Mint Julep Maven, which I just think is so cute. That's such a cute name. And these earrings were $12. Really well priced. A lot of these earrings are like extremely well priced and like super nicely made. And I just really love Etsy, if I'm honest. I'm a big fan of Etsy. I've been shopping on Etsy for a while now, but recently, especially with like the pandemic and everything, I've been super into Etsy. I buy so much off of Etsy. So next we have my most recent ones that came in the mail, and these are little bats. They look like that. They're so cute. Aren't they cute? I love them. I love them. I can't wait to wear them. Oh, they're so freaking cute. I just love the way they're hanging as well. So they're like hanging straight up so you can see the entire bat, you know, like horizontally. I just really like that. I don't know why. I just think they look really cool. They are from a shop called West Coast Clay Designs. That tripped me up, but I will link all the shops down below, obviously. And these retailed for $16. So again, not badly priced at all for a handmade item that is like really cute and right up my alley, and I'm just really excited for all of these, if I'm honest. Next, we have these little ghosts. Oh my god. I call these my cookie ghosts because they just look so flat and like they look like a cookie. I know that sounds weird. I know that that sounds weird, but don't they kind of look like cookies? Like a cookie ghost. Like they're thin. They look like cookies. Like yummy, you know? And they actually are a little like speckled. Like if you get up close here. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but they got like little speckles on them. They're really cute, and they're like, I don't know, I just really like the shape of them. They're like a really good ghost shape. And these are by, hold on, I have to look all these up because I honestly don't remember all the shops I bought from. But these are from Spring Forward Co., and they were $12.99. So again, not badly priced at all. They're so cute. I just think they're really cute. I don't know why. I don't know. It just, they look like little cookies. Don't they look like cookies? Am I wrong? I call them my cookie ghosts. They look like cookies to me, okay? I'm sorry. I don't know what to tell you, okay? I don't know what to tell you. They look like cookies. They look like cookies. Next are a pair that I was eyeing for so long before I bought them because they are so flippin' cute. And I'm gonna say that about all of these. I know, you guys are gonna be annoyed because you're gonna be like, Erin, they're all cute. I'm like, yeah, I know, why do you think I bought them all? But these are little jack-o'-lanterns. Oh, you cannot tell me they are not cute. Look at that. Look at how cute they are. These are so detailed. They're so well done. I really like the, like, I guess, I don't know if you'd call it piping. That's what you call it, like baking. But like the piping around the little jack-o'-lantern, like the brown, it just makes them look so realistic. These look like real jack-o'-lanterns. Like, it looks like someone copied a jack-o'-lantern. Like, just like copied and pasted. Do you know what I mean? They just look so good. They're so freaking cute. And this is from the shop called Fern and Mitch, which I really like the name. I don't know why. I just think it's really cute. And they were $21, so a little bit more expensive than some of the other ones, but I think for the quality, they are just exquisite. And they actually sent me a free pair of studs with my purchase, and they're so cute. I really like the colors. They're very fall. I really like these like button studs, like they're little round buttony studs. They just look like buttons, but they have little gold flecks in them, which I think is really pretty. I feel like you can't see. And yeah, I always think it's really sweet when they throw in a free pair of earrings. I don't expect it in the slightest, but it's just like so sweet that they, I don't know, it's such good customer service to just like send another pair of earrings with earrings already because I don't know, I just think it's really sweet. It makes me want to go back. I'm probably gonna buy more earrings from these shops just because I was super impressed with the ones that I had already gotten. So yeah. Okay, now on to our last shop and the last 4 pair of earrings that I got. And the shop is called Gabby K, I think. Like K, like in Spanish, like K. Q-U-E, you know, K. That kind of word. I don't know why I'm talking like that. But these are little cat heads, which I just, oh my god, they're so freaking cute. Tell me those aren't cute. Look at their little eyes. It just looks so much like a cat. That's incredible to me. I think I'm just in awe that people can make things from clay like this because I'm not artistic. Makeup is about as artistic as I get. So to see people that make these with their hands, that's mind-blowing. I'm sorry. It is. The cats were $18, by the way. And then next we have, I don't know if these are my favorite, but they might be my favorite. They're little bats. Tell me those aren't so cute. Tell me they are not so cute. I love the shape of them. They're just so unique. They're so different than like other bat kind of earrings. They're very simple. They're very just like very simple bats, but I just think they're so cute. I love their little eyes. Oh my god, I love their eyes. Their eyes are so cute. And these were $16. $16, yes. And then the last pair of earrings I got were these little ghosts. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at them. I love the shape of them. They're so unique shaped. I don't know why I think that's so cute. I love that their little mouths are like, oh, 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 oh. You know, they're just kind of like, oh, I'm a ghost. Oh, I just think they're so cute. I love this shape. They kind of remind me of like if someone put a sheet over them and they were pretending to be a ghost. That's what these reminded me of. Oh my god, they're so cute. I just think these are so fun. And these were $18 as well. And again, I got a free pair of studs. They're little ghosty studs, which I just think are so cute. I really like the ghosts. I don't know why. I don't know which one are my favorite. Like, how do I choose? Because every single pair of these earrings are freaking cute as heck. How do I pick which ones are my favorites? I can't, because they're all freaking cute. And like I said, every shop has been so sweet to me. I have talked to some of them on Instagram. They are just so lovely and so kind. And yeah, I'm just so impressed with the quality of these earrings. Not that I expected any less quality, but I just like, you see the picture and you're like, is that really what I'm gonna get? And then I got these in the mail and I'm like, whoa, these are incredibly, incredibly good. And I'm just like in awe, I guess, of people who do such a great job of making art like this. It's so beautiful. I am so excited to wear all these earrings for, I almost said Christmas, for Halloween, and I'll probably wear most of these all year round if I'm honest, just because my aesthetic and my vibe is kind of on the spooky side anyways, so I feel like it'll match my day-to-day aesthetic, if you will. So I will probably wear these all the time. I think they're so cute. I will probably be buying more earrings. I actually have two other pairs coming, but they're with an order that is kind of being made to order, so I think it's just taking them a little longer to get here. So yeah, I'm really excited for those as well. If you want me to do more Etsy hauls or earring videos or stuff like that, please let me know. I shop on Etsy quite a bit. It's really unhealthy. It's really bad. If you guys want me to, maybe I can do a video where I talk about my favorite shops. That would be fun, because I do have a few that I've bought multiple orders from, or am planning to buy multiple orders from, or want to check out or stuff like that. So maybe I can do a video talking about that kind of thing. Let me know down below, because I just love Etsy and I love supporting these small businesses, and I love Etsy. What can I say? I love Etsy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like it's kind of random and kind of weird, and I feel like I was a little all over the place. Maybe I'm just too excited about earrings. That could be true. I am a little too overexcited about earrings, I think. And that's okay. I'm not mad about it, you know? So let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you didn't, I'm sorry. Wednesday's video might be back to normal, hopefully. I don't know if I'm ever normal, so maybe you guys should just get used to that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a thumbs up. It lets me know what kind of content you enjoy from me. That way I can keep providing you with that kind of content. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we can become friends and talk about Etsy, movies, books, horror, makeup. I do random things on this channel, so hopefully there's something for everyone. I almost messed up that whole outro. I am a mess today. I am a mess. Oh my god. What's wrong with me? Also, my voice. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you guys. My voice is like dying or something. Anyways, I'm gonna go because I am rambling, babbling. I don't know what I am. I should probably get off the camera. So, yeah. I hope you guys are having a great day. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. There's a really loud car. Thank you for interrupting. And I will see you guys on Wednesday for another video. I have no idea what it's going to be, but hopefully it's fun. So, I'll see you there. Bye!